Hey everyone, and welcome back to Top 5 Picks. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of 360 cameras. These amazing devices allow you to capture everything around you in a single immersive shot, perfect for creating mind-blowing VR experiences, showcasing real estate properties, vlogging your adventures, and so much more. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out with immersive content creation, there's a perfect 360 camera waiting to take your creativity to the next level. So buckle up, because we're about to unveil the top 5 best 364 cameras in 2024. Don't forget to check the video description below for links to all the cameras we'll be discussing today. Number 5. Insta360 One X4, the all-around powerhouse. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Insta360 One X4. This fantastic camera strikes a brilliant balance between features, performance, and affordability. Here's what makes it a great all-rounder. Capture stunningly detailed footage of your surroundings, ensuring your viewers can see every breathtaking detail in your 360 creations. Say goodbye to shaky footage. The One X4 boasts Insta360's renowned FlowState stabilization technology, keeping your videos smooth and professional, even when you're on the move. Not just for videos, the One X4 lets you capture incredible high-resolution 360 photos, perfect for preserving special moments in a whole new way. Editing and sharing your immersive content is a breeze with the intuitive Insta360 app. From stitching your 360 footage to adding effects and music, the app empowers you to create share-worthy content with ease. The Insta360 One X4 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a versatile and feature-packed 360 camera that won't break the bank. It's perfect for vloggers, real estate agents, travel enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to capture the world around them in a truly immersive way. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black, the action hero evolved for 360. GoPro's reputation for capturing action-packed moments precedes itself, and the Hero 12 Black doesn't disappoint when it comes to 360 content creation. This camera is built for those who crave adventure and want to share their experiences in a truly immersive way. GoPro cameras are renowned for their durability, and the Hero 12 Black is no exception. It's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, ready to handle whatever adventures you throw at it. Capture every heart-stopping moment and breathtaking view in stunning 5.7K resolution. Let your viewers experience the full intensity of your adventures. Even when you're pushing your limits, your footage will stay perfectly level thanks to GoPro's Horizon Lock technology. No more shaky horizons ruining your immersive experience. Framing your shots and adjusting settings is a breeze with the intuitive front-facing touchscreen on the Hero 12 Black, ensuring you can capture the action without missing a beat. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the perfect companion for action sports enthusiasts, extreme travelers, and anyone who wants to capture their most thrilling moments in a fully immersive way. Number 3. Kandao QCam 8K, the unmatched detail. Stepping into the realm of professional-grade 360 capture, we have the Kandao QCam 8K. This camera is designed for creators who demand the absolute best in image quality. Witness the difference that 8K resolution makes. Capture stunningly detailed footage and photos, showcasing intricate details and vibrant colors that will leave your viewers in awe. Unleash your creativity with Kandao's innovative Supersphere mode. This feature allows you to create stunning little planet effects and other eye-catching visuals, perfect for adding a unique touch to your content. Share your immersive experiences in real time with the QCam 8K's live streaming functionality. Share your immersive experiences in real time with the QCam 8K's live streaming functionality. Imagine showcasing a live property tour or broadcasting a concert from a truly immersive perspective. The possibilities are endless. The Kandao QCam 8K is a powerful tool for professional content creators, videographers, and anyone who needs the highest possible image quality for their 360 projects. While it might carry a premium price tag, the level of detail and creative features it offers can truly elevate your productions. Number 2. Insta360 Evo, the 3D VR powerhouse. Are you ready to take your content to the next dimension? The Insta360 Evo is specifically designed for capturing stunning 3D VR footage, perfect for creating virtual tours, immersive experiences, and truly pushing the boundaries of content creation. Unlike traditional 360 cameras, the Evo captures true 3D footage, allowing viewers to experience depth and perspective in a whole new way. Imagine creating virtual tours that feel like you're actually walking through the space. The Evo boasts a detachable microphone with wind noise reduction, ensuring your audio is crisp and clear, even in challenging environments. This is crucial for creating a truly immersive and believable 3D VR experience. The Evo isn't limited to just 3D VR. It offers a variety of capture modes, including standard 360 video and flat footage options, making it a versatile tool for all your creative needs. You can capture stunning 3D VR experiences and then switch to standard 360 video for a different type of content creation. The Insta360 Evo is a game changer for anyone looking to create cutting-edge 3D VR content. It's perfect for filmmakers, virtual tour creators, and anyone who wants to experiment with the future of immersive storytelling. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the king of aerial videography. And finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the undisputed king of aerial videography, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This high-end drone camera takes 360 capture to a whole new level. Capture breathtaking aerial footage of your surroundings in a full 360-degree view. Imagine showcasing a stunning landscape or a bustling city from a truly unique perspective. The Mavic 3 Pro features renowned Hasselblad camera technology, delivering exceptional image quality with stunning detail and color accuracy. Your viewers will be mesmerized by the clarity and vibrancy of your aerial 360 footage. Fly with confidence and capture epic footage safely. The Mavic 3 Pro boasts an advanced obstacle avoidance system that helps you navigate complex environments with peace of mind. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a premium investment, but for those who demand the absolute best in aerial 360 capture, it's unmatched. It's perfect for professional videographers, real estate agents looking to showcase properties from a unique angle, and anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial perspectives in a truly immersive way. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 best 360 cameras in 2024. As you can see, there's a perfect camera out there for everyone, from the action-oriented adventurer to the professional content creator. Consider your needs, budget, and desired features when making your choice. Remember, the world of 360 cameras is constantly evolving, offering exciting new possibilities for immersive storytelling and content creation. What are you waiting for? Get out there and start capturing the world around you in a whole new way. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the cameras we discussed today. If you have any questions about 360 cameras or immersive content creation, leave a comment below and let's chat. And as always, thanks for watching.